Alright everyone, here's a quick update on my Galant VR4 RS Tribute project car. I had forgotten about this recording and thought now would be a good time as any to share it. I was prepping the car for some much needed parts upgrades, including a new NUR Performance Evo 3 big 16G turbo, their ported and heat treated race manifold, all the gaskets, studs, nuts and bolts needed, as well as a Mishimoto carbon fiber catch can, plus all the corresponding lines and fittings by Vibrant to complete the install. I had already drained the oil for inspection because of an issue I came across finding some minor damage on a few of the leading edges of the turbo, and therefore decided some due diligence on my part was needed in making sure nothing made it into the engine, oiling system, or anything else. After confirming there wasn't anything of concern in the oil itself, I simply finished up by topping off the oil and finally by cracking open the filter to see if I can find anything suspect in there. And as you can see by the thumbs up I gave, everything was completely fine. I'm also working on a couple other major upgrades that I'll make available as soon as possible when completed. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, or comment below to let me know what you think so far. Catch you later.